Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So this is Countryman letter to St. Vincent. You understand? This is my letter to the country of St. Vincent and the people them of St. Me I talk to the St. Vincent people them. It's just a short video. I want to talk to you, and because I see a lot of comments and a lot of stuff, and I know say stuff like this is embarrassing. I know say stuff like this is not a good look. Enough people make a whole heap of comment, and enough people, I know it's kind of shocking because I own a little country, 100,000 people, and the kind of thing, it's embarrassing. You know what I'm saying? But the information I get, if it's not 100%, it's at least 95%. You understand? Now, the Beehive gang, what surprised me about this whole situation, and it might not mean nothing to nobody, some people, but I have been researching St. Vincent for a long time, and when I look through their news media, all the online this, that, and the so-called media house like Eyewitness News or whatever, there is no mention of the Beehive. There is no mention of certain things. And when I get my intel on the ground, I realize it's a total, when I say total, it's like a flip mode. So what the news media is projecting and reporting, in reality, it's a total difference. You see what I'm saying? I'm one of the people them for know say, you see when me I talk right here, so it goes for Jamaica too. You understand? So me nah single out St. Vincent, Trinidad, St. Lucia. No, Jamaica the number one. Cause for we name call, we don't see where I go on in our country. You see what I'm saying? I'm a lick out on it in all aspects. So more the people them understand that. Okay? I know enough people might feel like I am attacking St. Vincent. Trinidadians feel like me attack them, but it's a shame and disgrace how them a kill off them one another. And me sorry, me nah bumbuckler support that. So who not like it, go suck them girl yo. But me nah support that. Where the people them at St. Vincent, I may address the people them in the comment. St. Vincent have 100,000 people. And within a couple days, you have like, I don't quote me on this, 8 murder in 2 days with 100,000 people. You understand? Now, Jamaica, we have 3 murder for the day, sometime 4, sometime 1, and we have 3 million people, probably more than 3 million by now. So when you look at the difference in terms of population, and if you look at St. Vincent population, and you do a rough estimate, you understand, you will see that the violence is really outrageous for the country. And the same thing goes for Trinidad. You see what I'm saying? when you look at the size of Trinidad and the population and the kind of violence that's going on there, if they were double the size, then you can imagine how much more things would be happening. So they would be probably on the same level like where we are at. So for St. Vincent, I notice the place, it no run underneath no order. And I noticed that for a lot of the Caribbean island them. Jamaica kind of run underneath the order. And man and man know certain order and them abide by it. You see what I'm saying? And so maybe that's why Jamaica mentality is different, I don't know. But what I notice, there is no order. So every man is a don, and every man this, that, whatever, and it just, there is no order. Every man want to be that man, and it just turn into chaos, and that's what I notice. Now, I want to address some of the people in the comment section, and kind of just speak the way I feel about certain. This is my letter to the nation of St. Vincent. Now, I see a lot of people leave comments in the vlog that I did and the guys them getting killed. And I was very flabbergasted. I was actually mortified because all that people had to say was, where did I get my information from? Information wrong. Oh, talk about Jamaica. Don't talk about my country like this, blah blah blah. And not one of these motherfuckers gave condolence to the people that might get killed. Or, say man, the guys them from both sides killing each other, make we show some condolence and tell them to have peace, but nobody. And that kind of shows the mentality and the mindset of a lot of people. Not everybody. You see what I'm saying? But it was kind of shocking. Now, people could find the smallest thing, and that's what they comment about when you have 5 people lose them life on one side, people on the other side lose them life. Now, it's a potential war brewing. You understand? And all people can talk about is attacking me and just attacking certain things. Now, like I said, my information, it may not be 100% accurate, but I know it's 95 or sometime 99. You understand? And that's with any story, that's with any situation. Cause you hear from one side and then you hear from the next side. And with the killing that go on, me have a whole heap of things to talk about, cause there's gonna be a part 2. You understand? But I was a little bit taken back. And it's the same thing in Trinidad. And I know people probably say me I pick on Trinidad because I'm not done with Prezi. I'm not done with Six Dan. I'm not done with enough of them. But nobody will step up and say certain things. Only a few people, you understand, might acknowledge, and that's very telling. All I'm saying is I have to do my job, and I am going to continue doing my job. Not everybody is going to like what I do. I am not perfect, but I have the best in my heart for St. Vincent. You understand? And more of the people them to understand that. Now, with that said, I'm doing a part 2 on the killing thing that happened down there, because I realize this beehive, there are set of, it's very intricate, and that's the thing I'm saying about this place. You never know stuff like this and what the beehive them a do, and how interconnect they are with the system. And when I say the system is government. So you'll be surprised. And I got some updates and some more stuff to talk about in the part 2. And there's gonna be a part 3, because listen, me nah stop follow the crime here we're going. I mean, I follow up the story, and you know, you have the Jamaican guy in jail down there, and we need to get him the fuck out. So yo, the man them were down there, them for stand up and tell the police them for let go the youth and make the youth go back in the yard. You understand? Cause the man they are jail are sold out, and that's not right. With that said, this is my letter to the country, to the nation of St. Vincent. And like me say, I have to do my job. I love everybody. Now, this is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.